Let's make chicken vegetable. This is seasoning cube. This is local spice. What I'm using for this chicken is pumpkin leaf, ogo, opaka, that is oil bean, yes, salt, red oil, pepper, trim it very. After turning it, after stirring it, I'll place it on fire or set it on fire and wait for it to boil. But very well. See the chicken. Just stay tuned to see every process of it. This water will rhyme with this chicken. I'm not going to sieve out the water. No, it's going to rhyme. Yes, you can see it. It's blocked, so I will allow it to melt. You guys can see that the water dry on the body. See it? I'm adding red oil. Vegetable chicken. This is ogo. If you like, you can use green, but me, I don't like green. Don't like the taste. This thing is not. I'll change the spoon. Another oil. You can see now the oil have come out, but the other time the oil did not come out very well.